Yes, I got, this is a 2016 1500 Dodge Ram. We end up installing the Clipper alarm. What happened to this particular customer, his tailgate got stolen. And it's really weird because normally we protect the tailgates in the F-250 Ford and the F-350, all the Ford line. But very rare that they're hitting those Dodge Rams, but in the past couple of weeks we've been getting a few phone calls of Dodge customers that they've been hitting up on those tailgates. So apparently this thing became pretty hot right now on the Dodge Rams, so we'll keep that in mind for our customers. So whenever we do an alarm, we're going to suggest protecting the tailgate in the back. And the way it basically works is that when you arm the alarm, somebody opens up the tailgate, we'll fire off the alarm. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the alarm. And basically, you know the deal. The alarm locks and unlocks the doors. Anybody bangs in the window, will fire off. Start a kill. Comes with 2 remote control, panic button. The blue LED light that goes in behind the rear mirror that flashes at night. Comes with 2 remote control, lifetime warranty. Our phone number is 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist here in Miami, Florida. And we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.